Omega Essentials Basic is a supplement that contains omega-3 fatty acids, which are believed to help lower the risk of heart disease. It can also be used in combination with diet and exercise to decrease levels of triglycerides and increase levels of HDL, also known as good cholesterol. It is important to note that some supplement products may contain harmful impurities or additives, so it is recommended to check with your pharmacist for more information about the specific brand you are using. It is important to consult with a doctor or pharmacist before using Omega Essentials Basic, as the U.S. Food and Drug Administration has not reviewed this product for safety or effectiveness. The recommended daily dosage and optimal timing for taking this supplement may vary for each individual, so it is crucial to seek professional advice regarding these concerns. When taking Omega Essentials Basic, it's important to follow the directions on the package label. If you have any questions, consult your doctor or pharmacist. If you're taking the enteric-coated capsules, swallow them whole. If you're using the chewable form, make sure to chew thoroughly before swallowing. For the liquid form, use a special measuring device to carefully measure the dose. Don't use a regular household spoon as it may not provide the correct dose. Some brands of this medication should be shaken well before each use. If your condition persists or worsens, or if you suspect a serious medical issue, seek medical help immediately. When taking Omega Essentials Basic, you may experience some side effects such as a fishy aftertaste, if the product is made from fish oil, nausea, bloating, or burping. If these effects persist or worsen, it's important to consult your doctor or pharmacist. It's important to note that if your doctor has prescribed this product to you, they have determined that the benefits outweigh the potential risks of side effects. Most people using this medication do not experience serious side effects. However, it's crucial to seek medical attention if you experience any serious side effects, such as easy bleeding or bruising. Although rare, a very serious allergic reaction may occur. Seek immediate medical help if you notice symptoms such as rash, itching/swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. This is not an exhaustive list of possible side effects, so it's essential to contact your doctor or pharmacist if you notice any other effects not listed. As always, if you have any concerns or questions about the side effects of Omega Essentials Basic, consult your healthcare provider for personalized advice. If you are allergic to omega-3 fatty acids or fish, or if you have other allergies, make sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist before taking Omega Essentials Basic. This product may contain inactive ingredients like peanut or soy, which could cause allergic reactions or other issues. If you are pregnant, only use this medication if it is clearly needed and discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor. It is also important to consult your doctor before using this product if you are breastfeeding. As for the daily dosage, it is recommended to take Omega Essentials Basic as directed by your doctor or as indicated on the product label. It is best to take it with a meal to help with absorption, and the optimal timing can vary depending on your individual needs. It's important to be aware that Omega Essentials Basic may interact with other medications, potentially affecting how they work or increasing the risk of serious side effects. It's essential to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription and non-prescription drugs, as well as herbal products, and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. It's crucial not to make any changes to your medication dosage without first consulting with your doctor. If you suspect an overdose with Omega Essentials Basic and experience serious symptoms like passing out or difficulty breathing, seek immediate medical help by calling 911. If the situation is less severe, contact your local poison control center for further guidance. In the U.S., you can reach the Poison Control Center at 1-800-222-1222, and in Canada, contact a provincial poison control center. It is important to note that while taking Omega Essentials Basic, you may need to undergo lab and/or medical tests, such as cholesterol and liver function tests. It is important to keep all medical and lab appointments and consult with your doctor for more details. If you are taking Omega Essentials Basic on a regular schedule and miss a dose, take it as soon as you remember. If it is near the time of the next dose, skip the missed dose. Take your next dose at the regular time. Do not double the dose to catch up. Omega Essentials Basic should be taken daily with meals for best absorption. Make sure to check the storage information on the package and ask your pharmacist if you have any questions. Keep the Omega Essentials Basic away from light and moisture, and do not store it in the bathroom or freeze it. Keep it out of reach of children and pets. Do not flush the medication down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless instructed. Properly discard the product and it is expired or no longer needed. It's best to consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for proper disposal. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.